So it's just after 9 a.m. in the morning on the 25th of August, and it's a special day today because I'm actually revisiting a childhood stomping ground somewhere here in Spain. So yeah, this is where we've been staying for the last few days, but now we're on a mission. There's a valley that's about an hour and a half away from here, or it's about an hour from here, which is where my dad was building a house when I was 14 years old, 15. I spent about a year here with my little sister Megzi, and it was the first time I'd ever been to Spain and the last time. So it's been 18 years since that happened. So it's time for a reunion with the area. We've had our Red Bulls now, so jumping, pumping, ready for the day. Come on! Unfortunately, the cars in front of us aren't going quick enough. So we're around about 5 minutes away from our first destination, which is Las Cascadas de Algar. We've just arrived at the parking, at least. The signs for the parking were very misleading. They sort of gave us the impression that it was the entrance to the actual waterfall. However, once we got in, we realized it was just some extremely expensive parking, and it was the first of many. So all the way along this street that we're walking up now, there's a whole bunch of different sort of parking lots. So that was a bit cheeky. But anyway, we're walking up now. I don't know how far away it actually is. Been walking for a while now. So you know, no skateboarders, roller skaters, bikers, or dogs. Sorry, Nuri. I have to stay here apparently. No dog. If you decide you want to come to this waterfall, I would suggest leaving at 10 a.m, arriving well before then. So if you want to get like an hour in, maybe come at 9 a.m, because as we were leaving, it was literally just a line up. It was already really full in there. So yeah, I'd say come as early as you possibly can if you want to try and get the place without so many people there. But it was still cool, definitely worth a visit.
So there you have it, the beautiful Cascadas de Algar. Not far from Benidorm, about halfway between Valencia and Alicante on the east coast of Spain. If you're ever in that part of the world, I highly suggest you try and make a day of it, because it was an absolutely beautiful swim, the water was perfect, and I would definitely do it again. If you enjoyed that video, and want to see how the rest of the day panned out, we actually stopped at 2 more locations in the same valley on the same day, both just as beautiful in their own right, so I decided to split it into 3 separate videos. If you want to see those videos, I would consider subscribing to my channel. Of course, if you liked it, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Sharing is caring, and I'd love to hear any comments below. But until the next time, peace out, hippies.